back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones. I am back with another video for your head top. What is good, everybody? Hopefully y'all are having an amazing day at the crib. As y'all can see, the studio is very much different from when we last left. Now I'm moving to the new spot. It's official. If you haven't seen that new vlog, it's up right now. I know y'all probably like, bro, the background looks kind of different. It looks kind of boring. Just know I'm doing a complete project, a remodel of the sneaker room, but just because I don't have all the stuff to create it yet does not mean we cannot create this fire content, because the content has to go on, my God. I'm excited to get with you guys today, man, because Adidas has yet again sent your boy another pair of sneakers. Yes, another pair of shoes. The last time we hooked up, they were nice enough to send your boy over a beautiful pair of Pharrell Human Race NMDs in this nice yellow colorway, and now they decided to send your boy something else. So Adidas, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank y'all so much for supporting. If y'all have not seen the first video I did with them, check it out. It will be linked down below. I pretty much covered just how much of a dream come true to this is working with Adidas, man. Being able to review some of their sneakers and get it sent over is crazy to me, man. It's still like a dream come true. So thank you guys so much for the continuous support and just watching. And you know what I'm saying? Hey, Snipe Squad, we got another one. Let's get it. Here we have the box, guys. I had to, of course, scratch off the address, but this box is pretty big. Actually, it's a little bit bigger than the box we got the first time. Now, this time I did talk to Adidas, and I know that they are sending over a pair of the Human Race. The first time I didn't know. This time I know it is a pair of Human Races in here, but I don't know the colorway. I believe he said the colorway, but I don't remember what colorway it is. So I'm super excited. Now, the Adidas Human Race has to be one of my favorite models from Adidas. It was at one point in time where I was liking the Human Race even more than the Yeezy. You can go back to some of my earlier videos and hear me say that out loud. You know what I'm saying? It's not just a coincidence. But the Human Race is like a sock, bro. You don't even technically need the lace system that it comes with. I love the shoe, bro. It fits well, and the performance is amazing because I love me some boost. And it's up. Here we have it, bro. Get that up out of here. We got the box, okay? This is the Adidas Human Race box. You see the triangle, you see the hue in the middle of the triangle, and we have another pair, man. Pharrell has to be one of the most creative individuals when it just comes to music, when it comes to sneakers, when it comes to just being a, what do you want to call it, bro? He's a wave, okay? When you're a wave, you're kind of a trendsetter. You create your own path. That's Pharrell at its core, you know what I'm saying? Like the Neptunes, the music, the sound, the style. Man, for real, you the truth, man. Matter of fact, BBC, holla at me. Ice cream, holla at me. Let's open these up and see what we got. And of course, we got another card. I'm gonna go ahead and read the card out. It's actually the same as last time, but for the reading purposes, I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out. For the 4th Pharrell Williams Human Race NMD drop of the season, Pharrell and Adidas Originals present the monochromatic core black colorway. So this is the colorway that they sent over, the core black colorway. Featuring a knitted upper and a tonal stitch graphic with threads, Human Race in Chinese. So this pair will have Human Race in Chinese. I believe the last one had Human Race. And what was the language the last pair had? Hindu. I believe it was Hindi or Hindu. Sorry if I mistake it, but it was either Hindu or Hindi. I just forgot the pronunciation of it, but it was definitely one of the two. Black midsole and black accents. Enjoy. Hashtag Pharrell, hashtag Adidas Pharrell Williams, and gifted by Adidas. Man, huge shout out to Adidas. And without all the talking, here we have it, another pair of Adidas Human Race sent over from Adidas, man. Check these out. Now this pair is a little bit different from the last pair, obviously, right? We're gonna talk about the different writing on it. Matter of fact, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the other one and kind of compare the two. But this pair comes with the white laces, which actually works for me. Now they do have a bag here that has the spare laces if you guys don't like the white look. If white makes it pop a little bit too much, it's definitely not a problem for me, but I think I would probably, I think I'm gonna probably stay with the white laces. Tell me down below in the comments what you think you would rock if you had a pair of these. Would you stay black? Would you keep it with the white? I kind of like this white look, I'm not gonna lie. The black on white looks pretty good. I like how the laces pop like that. Now, as I read on this pair, it says Human Race in Chinese. So you see it there. And the other pair we had, it said Human Race, I believe, in Hindi or Hindi, I'm sorry. But let's compare the two. You can kind of see the black one a little bit better than you can see the yellow one just because of the lighting in the studio. But these are both two fire sneakers. And shout out to the people who actually reached out to me and told me that you all went for these on Hibbett Sports. Some of you guys said y'all hit it on Adidas Confirmed, so huge shout out to y'all for picking this up because this was a banger, bro. This shoe was fire. So if you guys are interested in this black human race, all you have to do is download the Adidas Confirmed app. Right now, if you go on there, it's loaded up. This shoe will be releasing November 19th for the retail price of $220. Make sure you head over to Adidas Confirmed and check out the draw. This will be a big release, and I guarantee they do sell out. Now, if you guys head over to Adidas right now, you can do that. Don't wait too late, because if you do, I can't make no guarantees, okay? These will definitely fly. When it comes to black sneakers, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's because it's easy to wear, and a lot of people are more confident with black shoes because it don't really take too much to actually throw these on, bro. You don't have to do too much. You don't have to pick the right outfit. Black just pretty much goes with anything. If y'all ever see me at SneakerCon, ever, I'm usually always in a pair of Adidas Yeezys or Adidas Pharrell Human Race. Reason being is because when I'm on my feet throughout the day, okay, I don't want to be in anything uncomfortable. Checking out the shoe, we get the all black outer sole, as you can see, all black everything. Moving up to the midsole, you see that boost just poking out right there in the middle. We do get 2 pieces of rubber right here on the midsole as well, and it's connected to this back fence part. Now, a lot of people ask me, what sizes do you recommend in the human race? I would always say go half size up, because I do believe that these can be a little bit tight on your feet. Actually, any sneaker that's kind of sock fit, you probably want to go a half size up. The problem is a 12.5 for me just doesn't do it. My feet are kind of fat, they're not long, you know what I'm saying? So in these sneakers, if you have the fat feet, these fences can probably cause you to have a little bit of tightness. But if you have longer feet, then I think you'll probably be able to be fine. But for safety's sake, I would say go half size up when it comes to these. I definitely think that's the way to go. Checking out the back, you see that clean Adidas logo looking good. Like I told you guys, they do have the white laces. For my people who don't think the white laces is the vibe. And as I said, on the top of the sneaker, it has human race in the Chinese writing. This is fire. So what I'm gonna do right now is head out, throw these on feet, let you see how they looking, and I'll come back to end the video. See y'all in a second. Guys, that concludes the video, man. Let me know what you guys think about the black human race NMDs down below in the comments. Huge shout out to Adidas for sending these over, man. I really appreciate it. Also, please let me know, white laces, black laces. I might even do a poll on Twitter. If you don't follow me on Twitter or Instagram, I will link it down below. If you guys are interested in picking these up for yourself, it will be available, or actually it's available right now on the Adidas Confirmed app. Head over there to retail price $220 and make sure you enter the draw before November 19th, or you're a little bit too late, man. I'm sorry. Until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.